Hi, this is Amy from Specialists in Exams. Today's video is a quick lesson where you'll learn advanced vocabulary and pronunciation for the IELTS writing task 2 and the speaking test. Make sure to watch until the end and check out part 2 for even more examples. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Today's question. Some people believe that it is important to preserve and maintain historic buildings rather than replacing them with modern structures. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Response. The issue of whether historic buildings should be preserved or replaced with modern structures is a subject of considerable debate. In my opinion, preserving and maintaining historic buildings is of utmost importance. These structures represent a city's cultural and architectural heritage, offering a deep connection to its past and contributing to the uniqueness of a place. While modern buildings are necessary to meet contemporary needs, historic buildings should be preserved to safeguard the character of urban environments and ensure a tangible link to history. Historic buildings embody the design principles and cultural values of past eras, serving as cultural markers. They provide a visual narrative of a city's evolution, showcasing various architectural styles, materials, and craftsmanship that modern buildings cannot replicate. By preserving these structures, we maintain a connection to our history and offer future generations a deeper understanding of their cultural roots. For instance, Gothic cathedrals or neoclassical buildings tell us much about the societies that created them, which would be lost if replaced by generic modern constructions. However, replacing old buildings with modern structures is often seen as a solution to urban growth. Modern buildings can accommodate growing populations, offering more space and flexibility. They are designed with advanced technologies that improve energy efficiency, helping cities meet the demands of contemporary life. While these buildings serve practical purposes, they often lack the historical and cultural significance that historic buildings provide. Replacing old buildings can lead to the loss of a city's character, transforming vibrant areas into uniform, soulless environments that offer little connection to the past. In conclusion, while modern buildings play a crucial role in urban development, the preservation of historic buildings is essential for maintaining a city's identity, cultural heritage, and sustainability. A balance between the old and the new allows cities to evolve while honoring the past. Therefore, I firmly believe that historic buildings should be preserved, as they offer both cultural and practical value to urban environments. That's the end of part 1. In part 2, you'll find the full vocabulary list with example sentences and pronunciation. You'll also get the full transcript of this video, including all the advanced vocabulary with definitions and examples. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in part 2.